This DMX I4208 barcode printer by Datamax is an industrial printer. I-class printers are ideal for shipping and receiving, product identification, and asset tracking. Here you see the Datamax DMX I4208 printer being tested to ensure proper operation after the repair. ERD repairs and refurbishes a complete range of OEM industrial electronic equipment from basic boards to complex robotics, and we will evaluate and quote your unit on the same day.
We can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, contact us by phone or visit us at www.industrialrepairstore.com.